Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin inside the Google Docs app on your phone. Tap the document, then open the three-dot menu to access accessibility or speaking options. Once done, enable Select to Speak or the accessibility shortcut so your phone can vocalize text. You might need to grant microphone and accessibility permissions, accept them to proceed. This step connects the document to the system TTS engine, so you can pick voice and speed next. Make sure your device language and voice settings match the document language. Next, configure how you want the text to sound. Go to your phone's text-to-speech settings to pick a voice, set speech rate, and tweak pitch. This affects all apps including Google Docs. Then, return to the document and either select the text you want read or trigger the Select to Speak gesture to begin. Once playing, adjust phone volume and playback speed for comfort. If you want continuous reading, make sure the accessibility tool is set to read line by line without stopping between paragraphs. To finish, use the on-screen play and pause controls or reselect the next section to continue reading. If playback stutters or mispronounces words, change the TTS engine or reduce the speech rate to around 0. 9 to 1. 0. Make sure the document language matches the selected voice. If nothing plays, restart the app, verify accessibility permissions, and clear the app cache. One key troubleshooting tip: toggling the accessibility service off and on usually restores functionality quickly. Try that before deeper fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.